Hello everyone, my name is Victor and hope you're having a wonderful trading week. Today I want to make a quick analysis on three pairs which I believe offer a good opportunity sometimes this week or probably going into next week. Before I continue, I want to encourage you to subscribe. If this is the first time you're watching our analysis, I would want to plead with you to subscribe so that you can always get our analysis and build up your trading strategy. It takes time to build up a trading strategy, but if you follow us closely, definitely you will become better at what you do. Alright, so I want to start with EURUSD, and this is my EURUSD chart, and right now I'm looking at the daily time frame. Okay, so what we can see immediately from this daily time frame is that the market has actually been on this bullish trend. You can see it has been on for a couple of months. I think since late May, this trend has been on, and you can see when it got over to this level, it started making this consolidation. So you see, this is just a okay, I think I should use a clearer pen. Let's use this. Okay, so when it got here, it started making this corrective phase. You can see it got into a range, and when you see a range after an impulse like this, it simply means that a reversal is about to take place. And it wasn't long before the reversal started. I think today is Tuesday. Yesterday's candle was the full bodied candle closed below the level, and since then we can see that the price has remained below. This is actually the candle that closed below the full body candle that closed below this range up here. So what this means is that the bearish move has just been confirmed with that close, and what we should expect is further weakness from EURUSD. But normally we don't just jump into trades because you've seen a break of the channel. You need to wait for some confirmation. You need to wait for price to remain below that level for some days. So you can see that price has been below this channel for at least, this is the second day it has been below the channel, which shows that yes, sellers are now in control. But however, right now we are in a strong support level. And if I go on to my weekly time frame, you will understand why it's a support level. If you look back at this area, you can see it acted as this area acted as resistance here, and over here it acted as support. Consider long is a pin bar, yes, that's rejecting level. Here it acted as support, here it acted as support, and also here. So you can see this is a very important level, and that's where price currently is has approached, not is approaching, because it's there already. This is the level, it's a very strong level, and we can expect a rebound from that level. Most of the time that's the first thing you will see. Price will try to break below the level, but will rebound, and then we may see another wave to the upside before that before the main move starts. This is the weekly time frame. I have to switch into the weekly so you can see the rejections clearly. So now back to my daily time frame. What do we have? On daily time frame, you can see that this level is still this level I highlighted is very important level, is holding for now, but until it breaks below it, that's when we know if this move is going to continue. But right now we have another minor support level around here. It acted as support, but now it has broken downward, so it should start acting as resistance. So what this means is that I want to see price come back to this level again for another test of this level, and definitely, so if it does come back to this level, you can find this trend line, or connect this highs here, so you can see that it will actually align with this trend line somewhere around here. If we manage to get price come back here, if we align with the trend line around here, and then this is where we can actually get a favorable move, expecting it to break below this strong level area of support. So that's what I expect from EURUSD, break below this level, but not just immediately. We may get a pullback to the upside then before we see the break, and actually definitely is a very good rewarding pair, because rewarding move, because if you measure the distance from here down, see it's around 280 pips, which is worth trading. So that's what I have for EURUSD, and this is my target. This level here is my target. We'll definitely be taking this trade when time comes. So that's my view on EURUSD. Move back to this upside and a break towards this support. So that's what I have for EURUSD. I'll quickly move on to the next one now, and the next one is AUDCAD. Now on AUDCAD, you can see that the first thing we see is this trend line that is broken with today's candle actually, and it signifies that sellers are now in control. And before that break, you can see that there was actually a slowdown. Price actually slowed down. Okay, I would enlarge this chart so you can see it clearly. So you can see that price actually slowed down around these highs, especially this recent level. Price actually slowed down there. Look at these candles. They found what we call a doji in the forex market, which shows that there's exhaustion in the market from sellers, and now buyers are about to take over. And you can see that this full body candle closed below this level signifies that yes, sellers are now in control, and we can now see further losses, further move to the downside. So what do we expect right now? Definitely, because there's a close, we don't just jump into the trade. We want to see a pullback to the broken level. This is the minor support that has just been broken. So we want to see a pullback to somewhere around here, probably today or tomorrow. Then we can get the original move to the support. This is the first level that we are targeting, and if we break below this level, definitely we can now come to lower levels around this region, because here definitely there's a support around here, so we can get a move down towards this level and ultimately towards this level. So that's what I have for AUDCAD. Straightforward. There's no need to move on to other time frames. On daily it's very clear and precise, and you see that move starting from tomorrow. Alright, so I'll quickly rush through AUDUSD so we can make it 3. Yes, so AUDUSD now, and on AUDUSD you can see, just similar to AUDCAD, there is a break of the ascending trend line, which shows that sellers are now in control. And if you look up there, you would see my if you look up here, you will see my range. That's this rectangle I put here. It shows that there is a support or resistance level around there, and clearly it is. You can see it acted as resistance here. This is that level acted as resistance here, and here acted as support, even though it looks very little. Here it acted as support again, and now we've got the full break of that level with these two candles actually. So I'll just point to this one here. So this is actually the candle that broke below that resistance level. So definitely now sellers are in control of this market, and we can see further losses. So how we would be approaching this market? So just because we know that sellers are here and we should see a move down, doesn't mean we should just jump into the trade. Of course, there is support here, so we can actually see some dilly-dallying around here. There's support around this region. You can see it. So we may see some sideways movement around there before the original move starts. Okay, so what do we expect? We want to see price move back towards this level to retest once again towards this resistance level, both the trend line and the horizontal level, and then we can now be able to take a very good trade towards the bottom. Remember I said that there was a time I said that what we expect when there is a ascending trend lines and there's a break of the ascending trend lines, for price to move back towards the base of that trend line. This is the starting point of this trend line, so we expect price to come back here first, and after coming here, then we can now see the move to the downside. So then after price comes back here, then definitely we can now see the main move to the downside. Yes, so our overall target is starting from here down to this place. So this trade will be taken sometime this week or probably next week if this week doesn't permit, and it's definitely going to offer us a good risk to reward and some beautiful profits. Alright, so that's it. That's it for my quick analysis on EURUSD, AUDCAD, and AUDUSD. I hope you will be taking these trades along with us and making some good profits. Now, if you have any pair you want me to analyze, please you can drop it in the comment section, and definitely I will take my time to analyze it. All right, so that's it from me, Victor, from this on this analysis, and see you in the next video. Have a wonderful and profitable trading week. Don't forget to subscribe and like.